Hello and welcome to FastGem. My name is Jessica Newman. I'm on the FastGem training and support team. In this video, I'm going to be going over messaging options within FastGem from user to user. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm logged into my instance of FastGem as an internal user, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and compose a new message to send to a user. You can do so by hovering over my profile, hovering over inbox, and selecting compose. You can choose the recipient that you want to send the message to right here. Type in the subject, type in your message, and click send. Now that I've done that, I'm going to hop on over here and I'm going to log in as that user. Once the user logs in, there will immediately appear a message at the top of their screen letting them know they have unread messages, and they can click to go straight to their inbox. And as you can see, the message appears here. They can click on it to reply and send. And it's also set up to where an email goes out to the user that receives the message letting them know to check FastGem for the new messages. If at any time a user or yourself need to access your inbox randomly, you can do so by hovering over my profile and just clicking on inbox. This feature can also be accessed by internal users from backend or administrative FastGem by going into your backend. From the control panel screen, click on Message Center, click on Messages, click on New to compose a new message, type in the recipient's name or select from the list, type in your subject and message here, and click Send. Now, say you want to send a message to an entire group of like all of your IBOs in the system or all of your internal users, but nobody else. You can do so by going to the User Groups menu as seen right here on the screen and scrolling down to Internal User. Now, if you want to select more than just one group, but you don't want everybody to receive the message, you can hold down the Control button on your keyboard and select multiple groups and click Send. If you want to send to everyone in the system, you may do that as well. If you have further questions or concerns regarding sending messages in FastGem, please feel free to reach out to the FastGem support team at any time, 7 days a week. We are more than happy to help. You can also log on to our website at www.fastgem.net and click the help topic for more training. As always, thank you for using FastGem and enjoy our software.